Hi guys, Retro Django here. I love PINSOUND. And I love these old Bally Williams pinball machines. And I love any company, any person, yes, any whatever that help us to restore and keep our old Bally Williams games alive. And PINSOUND has sent me Rocket CPU boards, Pinlocks DMD boards, shaker boards, shaker motors for my Stern games, sound adjustment stuff, newest game ROMs. Guys, you have to go in and visit PINSOUND.org. They have got everything for our old games. And today I got a package from them. Let's just unbox it and take a look at it because this is awesome, man. I love this company. Oh yes, look at this beauty. I mean, this company, some candy from France, isn't it cool? They have part for Stern and, oh yeah, they're PINSOUND and shaker motors, original parts. I love their new CPU board for WPC89. I love it, guys. Oh, these boards, look at this. Oh, come on. There we go. I have this in my Indiana Jones already. Controls this display. I mean, I just want to show you quality check by VG. Yeah, that's nice. And I have had zero issues with PINSOUND products. Zero issues, guys. Just perfect every time. Let me just open one of them. Yeah. And let's just 2 seconds, guys. I will just leave the camera there. Oh man, look at this. It's so well done. I mean, with this board, it's just lit everywhere. I'm gonna open my Indie up so you can see how it looks, and you can have normal picture. This is the normal, but you can go up and you can boost the picture, or you can control the brightness by saving. You can just, while the game is on, you can just change the adjustment. And just look at everything. It's just high quality. Everything is just made with love. I want to say thank you, PINSOUND. I love you guys. This is awesome. They're gonna get installed in my game. So beautiful stuff. So let's just open this. No, yeah, this one. Let's open this beauty and take a look at one of these boards installed. Oh yes, the back glass is off. So let's just go ahead and enter inside the back glass here. This is the display, how it looks at normal. This is at normal setting, like this in the middle. Let's open up and see. There we go. Oh man, look at this. It's at normal. So if I film here, if I take, while we're live here, if I take it down to saving, oh, it gets a bit darker, but I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it's a bit darker, it's a bit dim, it's on save mode, okay? So if you had your pinball machines out on location running for 16 hours every day, then put it on dim, okay? So let me just take it up to normal with a bit more graphics. There we go. Bam! Oh, look at this. Dim, normal. And this is boost. 3, 2, 1, go! This is boost. It's so cool, man. So yeah, if you have problems, if you turn on your machine and the board needs to warm up and your DMD is not that perfect, it needs to warm up 10 minutes later, it will be better and better. Then you can put in a recap kit, and if you don't want to mess around with that, you can just get one of these Pinlocks from Pinball. Oh, let me see here. Original PINSOUND part. Okay, let me put it down to normal again before I forget it. All right, and other than that, if you buy one of these Bally Williams games and you have battery damage on the CPU board, you can also buy this Rocket CPU WPC89 board. And the cool part is they have lights. They have got lights everywhere. Look at all of the LEDs everywhere. And if you want the newest ROM, they can also send you the newest ROM. So wow, man, I absolutely love this. So thank you again, PINSOUND for keeping our old Bell Williams games alive, and same with the Twilight Zone. It's also upgraded with PINSOUND parts. So cool, man, so cool. Thank you for watching, thank you for listening, guys. Now go in and check out this page, okay? Have a great day out. And this video is not sponsored, it's not paid for, it's nothing, man. It's just my love to PINSOUND, okay? Have a great day, guys. Retro Django out.